Hello and good morning all. Hope you are doing well in your studies. So we are doing the self-assessment 2. In the previous lecture, we have done the self-assessment 1. In 15 group elements, you know the various topics are there. So we have to do topic wise. So in self-assessment 2, we will discuss the some questions. Now see, tri-halides of 15 group elements are, you know well, the 15 group elements will form the two types of the halides, that is a trihalide and the pentahalide. And you have done in the halide lecture that I have already posted, trihalide or pentahalide. The trihalides are Lewis acid in nature, means they has a tendency to gain the pair of electrons. So these are called Lewis acids. Now the second question is, dash is more covalent in nature, as covalency or the ionic character is determined with the help of Fezan's rule. In Fezan's rule, I have already talked about it. So the pentahalides are more covalent in nature because phosphorus in the +5 oxidation state has the small size that will be used in the assertion reasoning type questions. And in PCl3, it will be present in +3, which has larger size as compared to P +5. And according to the Fezan's rule, smaller the size of the cation, more will be the covalent character. Now the third question is increasing order of reducing character of. As you know well, reducing character is depending upon the bond dissociation energy of element and the hydrogen bond. If it is low, so it can release the H positive ion easily and it will show the more acidic as well as the reducing character. So in that manner, we can easily see that BiH3, if we are writing the increasing order, so BiH3 and then PH3 and then NH3. That will be the correct order for the reducing character of these three hydrides. Now the next question is, dinitrogen is, if you are taking dinitrogen, what is the nature of it? It is acidic, basic or neutral. But the N2 is neutral. It does not react with the acid or react with the base. Now the question number 5 is, dash is used as a refrigerant to preserve biological specimens or cryosurgery also. Now think about it, which can be used as a refrigerant to preserve biological specimens, cryosurgery also. Yes, you are very much correct. The answer is C. And if you are not correct, so don't get depressed. Don't be negative thinking कि मुझे आता नहीं है. This is a kind of practice, self-assessment test है. Now the next question is, shape of ammonia is. As you know, the shape of ammonia has a 1 lone pair of electron and the 3 bond pair of electrons. So whenever you find out the shapes, you must know how many lone pairs and how many bond pairs are there. Don't think about only the bond pairs. So when you will draw the structure for the ammonia, you will get this kind of the structure, and we will not. This is not the tetrahedral structure because lone pair of electrons never be included in the shape of the molecule. They included in the geometry. It is distorted tetrahedral is the geometry, but the shape is pyramidal. So the ammonia has the pyramidal shape. So we can discuss here what is the hybridization. Hybridization is sp3, which may be also asked in the examination. Now the next question is, N2O5 exists as NO2 positive, NO3 minus in solid state. We are finding, is it true or false? Or you can say they can be asked in the assertion or reasoning type question. So whenever you will see, so this statement is true. This statement आपकी true है. And N2O5 में, what is the coordination number? Coordination number is 4. It is again a very important question. Now the question number 8, dash is used as a neurotransmitter. Neurotransmitter के लिए oxides of nitrogen you may consult, and that will be the NO. That is neutral also, and it will be used as a neurotransmitter. Now the question number 9 is, bond angle of NH4 positive is dash then NH3. Means whether it is greater or it is smaller. So whenever you will discuss about the hydrides, we also discuss the bond angles of NH4 positive, PH4 positive, NH3, PH3, etc. So here you can see In NH4 positive, there is no lone pair of electron is present. कोई lone pair of electron present नहीं है. But in case of ammonia, there is a one lone pair of electron is present. So lone pair bond pair repulsion is there, and there is no lone pair bond pair repulsion. Because of that reason, the NH4 positive has the greater bond angle or larger bond angle as compared to NH3. Now the question number 10 is not a sort of question. It is a kind of reaction. When the white phosphoruses react with the oxygen in the limited amount, we will get P4O6, and in this case we get P4O10, and both the cases both are having the cage structure. दोनों में ही cage structure होता है, and in this case there is a P double bond O bond is present, which is a kind of D pi P pi bond. So this kind of the question can be asked in the examination. So you have to do in the limited quantity what happens to the white phosphorus, and in the excess of oxygen what happens to the white phosphorus. Now the last question of the self-assessment 2 is dash is diprotic in nature. That we have discussed in the lecture 6, that is the oxoacids of the phosphorus, that H3PO4, it is tribasic in nature or triprotic in nature. H3PO2, which is a hypophosphorus acid, it has monobasic in nature or monoprotic in nature. It contains one POH group, it contains 3 POH group, and H3PO3, it contains 2 POH group. So it is depending upon the nature of the POH group present. So we can say it is diprotic in nature. So up to here, we have completed the self-assessment 2, which contain the 11 questions. So you must know how much you are gaining from the 15 group elements. So in the next lecture, we will start the 16 group elements. Till then, complete your work and do well. And be honest in your work. Whenever you are finding the questions, find the answers. Don't be cheat from here and there.